Okay, guys, I'm just gonna say this right off the bat. This is really important. So if you get this far, please watch this video. Don't even look at the camera because I know this is gonna be bad because this is my first video, but this is really important. So please watch this. Okay, a few things off the bat. One, I'm not gonna be looking at directly at the camera the entire time because I'm reading this off a Google Doc that I created. Okay? Because this is really important. I did not want to mess this up. Okay, so I'm literally reading it, so I'm gonna be looking over here. Okay? Okay, this is about Therians. I, for one, am a Therian, and I really hope this is really helpful to all Therian haters out there, okay? A Therian is someone who feels a deep connection to a certain animal or animals, whether that's mentally, spiritually, or emotionally. It's not pretending or thinking we're literally animals, even though sometimes that is the case. It's just part of who we are, though. But a lot of people just don't understand that. And some choose to harass or bully Therians for expressing themselves, especially when we shift, act on instincts, or talk about our experiences. People call us names like freak, cringe, delusional, and often confuse us with furries. When it's not the same, guys. It is not the same. One of the worst things people say is it's hunting season. As if threatening violence is funny. It's not. It's not at all. Just because something's different doesn't mean it's wrong. The Aryans deserve respect like anyone else. And if you don't get it, that's okay. Just don't spread the hate. Now let me explain to you what the difference between a furry and a Therian is. Okay, a Therian is someone who, I just explained it though. A Therian is someone who feels an emotional connection with animals or an animal. A furry is someone who freaking dresses up. No hate to furries. I love furries. But someone who dresses up in a giant fursuit and plays as like an animal character. Like sure, us Therians, you can see us wearing masks or wearing tails, but like we don't dress up in giant fursuits. That's the thing some furries do. Please stop mixing us up. I'm in middle school, and yes, I know you're gonna be like, "Oh, this is a middle school making this video." Yes, I'm a middle schooler. I'm in sixth grade, but like people like go around in the hallway and they're like, "Furry." Like I'm not a furry. I'm not a furry. I'm not a furry. I don't even like. I'm not a furry. I don't even understand it. So please stop spreading this hate and just accept us for who we are. Okay?